Good morning. Today I'm bringing you another chapter in the Sanibel Island mile marker series. Green mile marker signs sit every half a mile along the beautiful stretch of beach that edges the southern part of the island. Mile marker 0 can be found close to the historic Sanibel Lighthouse. In this episode we will be covering the mile markers from 5.5 to 6. Make sure you follow our YouTube channel and see the rest of the mile markers. And here we go. Mile marker 5.5 sits beachfront of Sayana of Sanibel. This terrific complex has 9 2-bedroom, 2-bath condos. There is a swimming pool, tennis courts, fitness room, and shuffleboard. The historic island inn is next. Established in 1895, this is the oldest inn on Sanibel. Beautifully expanded and updated over the years, there are now 49 rooms and cottages. The extensive amenities include an on-site restaurant, a pool, tennis courts, volleyball, shuffleboard, barbecue grills, and a library. Travelling to the west, we find Wedgewood of Sanibel. This fantastic complex has 18 3-bedroom units spread over 3 buildings. Amenities include a pool and a tennis court. Following along is the outstanding seascape. There are 18 3-bedroom units in these 3 buildings. Guests can enjoy a swimming pool, poolside spa, and on-site tennis court. Somerset at the Reef is the next sensational resort. There are 30 2-bed units in 5 buildings. A large heated swimming pool, tennis court, and picnic area with grills complement the resort. After Somerset is Tamarind at the Reef. Besides a heated pool and a tennis court, there are 12 terrific golf front condos, each with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The next wonderful resort is Sunset Beach Inn. Set on 4 acres, this hotel has 46 rooms and suites. There is a heated pool, tennis, and shuffleboard. Following Sunset Beach Inn is the lovely Lantana on the Gulf. There are 6 units, all with 3 bedrooms and a swimming pool. And here we find ourselves at the delightful Beachview Cottages. There are 20 cottages, ranging from studio to 3-bedroom units. Amenities include a heated pool, barbecue grills, and a shaded sun deck. Coming into view next is Dulcinea. This intimate 6-unit complex has 3 bedrooms in each unit, a tennis court and a heated swimming pool are part of the amenities. And last in line is the wonderful West Wind Inn. There is a wide choice of guest rooms and studios, as well as an on-site restaurant and pool bar. Guests can enjoy shuffleboard, cornhole, and a large heated pool. And the end of our journey is mile marker 6. Walk about 75 yards past West Wind Inn and you will find the sign in front of a private home with a blue metal roof. All 11 complexes in this stretch sit along West Gulf Drive. Each and every one would make the perfect place for your dream Sanibel vacation. Visit their individual websites for more details. My name is Nick Adams. Come and join me on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content, please like and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to click on that bell icon to be notified of new releases. Thanks again. See you on the next one.